Hello, friends. We are Organized Self Employment Ministry budget representatives who are doing Organized Self Employment Ministry budget 25th session for making Organized Self Employment Ministry and budget with the ideology right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be documented by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry, office, organized self-employment ministry and budget office. Our constitutional life in democracy should be 0 to 18 if required and 18 to 58 for we all by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing. This will give us per month fiscal credit salary through the fiscal credit table. We should be documented. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. My book is Truth Only Trumps. This book which I have written in 2001. This book I am trying to sell from 2001. It is selling in the market. You can purchase this book from me through calling 63973-60717 by understanding organized self-employment ministry and budget. I have tried to make the drama of 6 Hindu family. 6 Hindu family, Shiv Shakti Welfare Power, Unborn Mandir, Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha, Unborn Mandir. Third, Brahma Saraswati Law Education, ISBN, different Hindu writer book. Adi Shakti Jagdamba and non-veto husband. Durga Sapti Devi Bhagavad document Mandir. Each united worship the God and Goddess, Truth Savioress, ISBN document, and governmenteshwari from this 20 into 5, that is 16.66 into 6 by joining the point. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Apart from this, I have made for working self-employment ministry and budget. For working in organized self-employment ministry and budget, this fiscal credit table, so that we can be able to become organized self-employment ministry work. So we have to come to the residence of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 63973-60717. Room number 126 for understanding democratic truth non-violence work. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, from the Governor House I, and from the 6 unborn pair I, so that we can easily understand and move on this path. This is, and then we have to see the fiscal credit table. Room number 1 is of Shiv Shakti Welfare Power, Shiv Puran. 12 Jyotirmandir, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti. Room number 2 is of Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir, 12 Jyotirmandir, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti. Room number 3 of the different ISBN Hindu Mandir certificate, those who have inspired us in democracy, and we reach to the 15th August 1947 destination, and from there we have reached to this, and from there in the 31st August 2001 I wrote this book, Truth Only Trumps, and it is 2021 20th edition of Truth Only Trumps. I am carrying this legacy with the document. Room number 4 is of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Saptati Devi Bhagwat, 12 Jyotirling, and then I am linking all 175 crore into 6, 1175 crore. And then room number 5, each united worship God and Goddess. Hindu, different worship God and Goddess, ISBN certificate. And then from this 20 into 500 from of unborn representative VR, I am attaching to the Constitution of India 20 into 5, that is 60. I am making 16.66 into 6 Parliament, Army, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, and then 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Banarsi, that is 72 Banarsi Sari and 72 Dhoti, doing prayer and worship between 16 February to 26 February in 6 pair idol, and 31st August to 11th September into 6 and 1 pair, from where we are belonging. We all Hindus are belonging. The rays are coming from Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. And then documenting, then linking with our Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, and photo election identity card. Then by the democratic understanding from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House High, 750 MPs who are working with us from 15th August 1946, and 4,500 MLAs and MLCs, Vidhan Sabha, who are working with us from 15th August 1947. I have also tried to make employment equilibrium point. Just now it is 30,000 above per month earner and 30,000 below per month earner. 70% are 30,000 per month below earner, and 30% are 70,000 per month below earner. 18:12 ratio there in above 30,000 per month earner, and 100% in 70,000 per month earner. In that, we can make the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month SOAR, Finance Commission, and self-earning, self-works, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, election commission of India. Then I have tried to make the 30,000 above slab of the people who are having Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo, election ID card above that, and then below that 70% population below 30,000. By the document path, we are moving 16.66 into 600 feet documented path on a constitutional basis. We all are in 6 family, married, and we are representative, living in the documented form at 18 years, 32 years, 46 years and 58 years. We have to conceptualize, organize self-employment, ministry and budget. We have to conceptualize, organize self-employment, ministry and budget. As we have understood the mapping system, as we understood the Vasco da Gama discovery, as we understood the discovery of Columbus, because as we start documenting, the conceptualization starts developing. This is self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit work. Democracy is matured. Everyone want work. After 18 years, one time in life comes that we have to work. Organized self-employment ministry gives a work on 24/7 daily basis by the validity system: income, work, educational, faith, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. By signing the form of organized self-employment ministry under the leadership of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. By writing name, then the preamble wise organized self-employed, Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, photo LIC card number, and automatically which work we are doing, that is being giving validity in income, work, educational certificate value in front of room number 1 to 6. One room is of devoted politician from 15th August 1947. One room is devoted industrialist from 15th August 1947. One room is of devoted scientists, educationists, writer, press reporters, legal lawyers from 15th August 1947. One room is of devoted family who is following all these and whose family members are married all over India from 15th August 1947. And one room is of Each United Truth Non-Violence, who is all over us, all over India. And one room is of government, state government and central government, who is working day and night 24/7 at all the borders of India, at all the states, in all the capitals and at the central capital and all the metros: Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, all the cities, in every village. Apart from this, I have put the Aadhaar card of the 20 lakh panchayat which we have all over India, which I have tried to make Sadchayat, because one family is of Shiv Shakti family, One family is of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha, that is Prabhu Lakshmi family. One family is of Baba Shakti, that is Shiva Parvati. One family is of Brahma Saraswati, that is Vidhata and Brahmani. One family is of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, that is Mata Rani. One family of each united Varshkrit god and goddess, that is many type of Hindu god and goddess we are calling for truth and non-violence help. And one family is of government ministry all over India we are working with the symbol of a stamp, Trishul vermilion mark, Chakra vermilion mark, Kamandal vermilion mark of women, Trinetra vermilion mark, Varshkrit book vermilion mark of women, and the government stamp vermilion mark of OSM. 16.66 into 6, 31st August 1946, 15th August 1947 and present date. From 2001 we are trying to make the documented path. I have tried to make from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the governor also the documented path. We all are becoming self-employed. From 0 to 18, if require any eventuality is there, the constitutional track is like railway track for the administration by trust and faith, and the organized self-employment ministry and budget. By this way we are becoming self-employed, and in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, in the different center we are putting table and chairs with the photo of Amit Kumar Jha and 1 to 6 room, 30,000 above, 30,000 below. What we are doing, that has become, if truthful way in front of us, that has become self-employment government job. With Ramnami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, all the pujas which we Hindus are doing, we started worshipping 16 February, 26 February, 6 ideal, and 31st August to 11 September, 6 ideal. In the 5th, Varshkrit god and goddess, so many goddess and goddess. One Shiv ideal is having 175 crore mandir validity. One Parvati ideal is having 174 crore validity. One Prabhu ideal is having 175 crore validity, and one Lakshmi ideal is having 175 crore validity. One Brahmaji ideal is having 175 crore validity, and one Saraswati Veena Pushtak ideal is having 175 crore validity. One Adi Shakti Jagdamba Trinetra ideal and an unbeatable husband ideal is 175 crore ideal validity, and one each united Varshkrit god and goddess ideal is 175 crore validity, and Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita ideal is having 175 crore. So 6 pair we are becoming from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then we are making center Amit Kumar Jha documents with the signing, and sitting on the table and chair we start working automatically. I have made the slab, I have made the fiscal credit slab, and by this fiscal credit slab you see the table is explaining the various types of slab. Illiterate signature known, 5th class pass, the 10th class pass, 12th class pass, education, graduation, post graduation, MPhil, DLET and PhD. From 0 to 8 we are making organized self-employment ministry. So what is happening? By the railway track we centrally are becoming 6 family. The vote bank is organized in front of the document. The table and chair which we are putting in the Sadchayat and in the state capital and in the metros and in the center, all are directly linked by the document system to the 750 MPs of the parliament, who was representing 1175 crore Mande. 700, then all the multinational corporation and industry who are representing 1175 crore document, who are in us in 130 crore Aadhaar card. Then to the lawyers, writers, scientists, press, table, who is representing 1175 crore on the documents with 130 crore Aadhaar card center, who is representing women, all women, truth, non-violence, unity, representing 1175 crore on the document, who is present in 130 crore Aadhaar card, and is United Truth and Non-Violence, who is moving with positive work and every year is trying to move above 30,000 per month earner and all above 30,000 per month earner, who is representing 1175 crore monthly document and center, and the government of India, who is always giving us a good governance from 15th August 1947. 1175 crore monthly document and in 130 crore Aadhaar card, state wise as we are living. With sitting on our table and chair, we are becoming self-employed government servant. The fiscal credit table, which I have made on the constitutional document, it is giving a slab, a starting slab. It can be increased and decreased because control is in the hand of preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed in the democratic prime minister office and democratic CMO office. All the governors nominal head, all and the president nominal head. By the preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, we are being transferred anywhere. Since the rays are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, it is related to the land in us, our heart, to our Sadchayat, 6 family, Sadchayat, and to the 6th room of Amit Kumar Jha. You have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye and from the democratic eye, because whole life we will live in that. We will take double salary. One, fiscal credit salary for self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, because 12 months we are doing this work. Every day we are doing this work at the employment equilibrium point, which is in our home. Documented path is giving us self-employment, government job. Link is to the all MPs and MLAs. And with that we are trying to move. And in wherever private sector we are working, they are also linked to this. And automatically one fiscal credit salary and one from the private sector automatically we are getting. So we will have 3 budget system by this system. Annual budget 108 ministry, which is coming from 1860. Railway budget 1 ministry, which is coming from 1860. And the organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is coming from Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 63973-60717. By truth only terms, room number 126. All self-employed worker, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6. All are devoted politician, industrialist, educationist, writer, scientist, press, family, truth and non-violence, each united government, truth and non-violence. Taking the concept from 31st August 1946, from there the document is coming from the direct from the British Parliament for our Independence Act. 6 unborn family at that time is 30 crore, or you can say 33 crore. Around about 6 crore population is coming from the rays of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. We are adopting self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing per month in organized self-employment ministry. We all are signing that we all are politicians, we all are industrialists, we all are educationists, scientists, lawyers, press reporters, family members, truth, non-violence and government, democratic government. And giving our power to the 750 MPs and 750 MPs, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and 4,500 MLAs from different 29 states, 6 union territory, by adopting this fiscal credit table and becoming the medium and replace. Control is going to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister, all the political party. We are becoming vote bank of documented from the Shiv Shakti, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Prabhu Lakshmi, Brahma Saraswati, law education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and non-widow husband, each united worshipped God and Goddess, government, governmentary or originating from the documented point of Amit Kumar Jha. Truth only term. We start following the organized self-employment document system with continuing Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati, Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brihaspativari, Shukruvari, Shanivari, Ravivari, Ekadasi, Dwadasi, all the vrat. In English, Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Wednesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast and Sunday fast. All types of fast, all types of worship, what we are doing. And mixing this organized self-employment ministry, Amit Kumar Jhawad and the Amiteshwarism in democratic manner by signing. That point is reaching to the CMO, Chief Ministers, all the political party President office, Prime Minister office, all the political party President office. In the 6th Rashtrapati Bhavan I, which is from the Divinity, it is coming from the Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adisakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. From 31st August 1946, present date 2001, documents Amit Kumar Jha. Concept, we are adopting and we are becoming 6 house member. We will call it Kailasdham, Rashtrapati Bhavan House, Vaikunth Dham, Kshir Sagar Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan House, Brahma Saraswati Dham, Rashtrapati Bhavan House, each united worship God and Goddess, Rashtrapati Bhavan House, governmentary Rashtrapati Bhavan House. All are attached by the documents by signing at the center point in the document path. In English, we will call welfare power Rashtrapati Bhavan House, live money Rashtrapati Bhavan House, law education Rashtrapati Bhavan House, family and her non-veto husband Rashtrapati Bhavan House, each united worship God and Goddess or truth savior Rashtrapati Bhavan House, and government is Rashtrapati Bhavan House. From their 100% contribution, we are taking only 16.66% contribution, and we are attaching by our signature Faith Trust. In the writing of Amit Kumar Jha, 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100. We are the sons and daughters of all this. We start moving on the documented path. What will happen? This fiscal credit salary is coming in our hand. This fiscal credit salary is coming in our hand, and it can be increased and decreased by the Prime Minister and Chief Minister by the vote pattern, because we have been doing in the railway fare and in the airways fare. What will happen? United documented centered through Amit Kumar Jha documented form is forming. We have ready-made self-employment job at home, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. Everyone from home he has some ideas. Fiscal credit constitutional track I have tried to portray. If by your trust and faith, signature is coming, and all 750 MPs is also signaturing, and 4,500 MLAs and MLCs is also signating. With that, all industries, all educationists, scientists of Hindus, press, lawyers of Hindus signing, all truth and non-violence, all women and each united truth and non-violence, and the truth and non-violence government is signing, because all are becoming self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, government job, and also doing private job, because here the work we are doing, that is being validated, because we are truthful and non-violent citizen. Automatically we are moving to the organized society, because graduate will sit with graduate, postgraduate will sit with postgraduate, PhD will sit with PhD, and age wise also 18 years will sit with 18 years, 32 years will sit with 32 years, 46 years will sit with 46 years, and 50 years will sit with 58 years, and after retirement will sit with their retirement age. Every day we are moving, and we can also transfer, and this system we can develop in the Sadchayat also, because we are already doing the Panchayati system. All types of the problem we are solving in the Panchayat. It is a common problem, employment. Every household, every person, employment is requirement. The dream and the family connection of every family is strong. I have tried to give the concept 30,000 employment equilibrium point above, those who are being checked by the income tax office every year before the budget collection, because according to inflation and deflation, depression, boom, recession in the economy, it will go up and down. The route and document is fixed. We will move on the same rath of the political parties which has been working with us from 1947 onwards and always tries to guide on the truthful path. But the track, documented track, is clearly indicating that now we have made some traffic rules. 166% path is for the politician, 166% path is of industrial people, 166.66 path is of lawyer or writer or press or scientist, Hindu scientist. 166.66 path is of the woman. 166 point is of truth and non-violence, who are moving with us, and 166 point path is of government. We all are attaching this organized self-employment ministry and budget, and every year two times, 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11th September, we are repeating this Amit Kumar Jha words, organized self-employment ministry and budget, and making 6 pair of ideal, giving Pushpanjali, and again we are moving with the same, and our work is to move above 30,000 per month earned. This has already been made by the God. If we are checking from 1947 the income tax office record, income tax, 30,000 per month value has been in those days 30 rupees. Gradually it increased to 300 rupees. Then it reached to 3,000 rupees. Then it reached to the 30,000. So gradually, as inflation and deflation is increasing, it is coming. 90% of the problem is solved if we are organized in the organized office. Double work and double salary automatically we can make, because we have already triple. One home is at a village, one home is at the city, and one home is in our office, and one home we are making from organized self-employment ministry and budget from Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973601717. Infinite population and infinite profession. Trillions and trillions of work is organized by truth and non-violence, and the rays of Kailas, Vaikuntha, Ksir Sagar Dham, Satya Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess. All are individually capable to handle all the problems, but unity is required for the national perspective, because we are married everywhere in different families. Some we are from Kailas Dham family, some we are from Vaikuntha Dham, Ksir Sagar Dham family, some we are from the Brahma Saraswati family, some we are from the Adi Shakti Jagadamba family, some we are from the each united Varshkrit God and Goddess family, and some we are from the government family. So it is coming into form of Hindus in English, welfare power, life money, law education, family and non-veto husband, each united Varshkrit God and Goddess, that is truth saviors, and time husband, time wife. 6 family, root 100%, we are moving in the organized direction. and meeting with our table and chair Center Amit Kumar Jha and moving in the organized self-employment ministry. This is organized self-employment ministry 25 session. We have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget. Thank you.